At this moment, he knew. He fucked up.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Man, we had the drone stuck in a tree.
Yep.
And we got it out without no major casualty, I don't think. We got some messed up propellers. You ain't gonna be able to see it. It can't zoom in clear, but we got some messed up propellers and some tree debris in it. Other than that, though, I think so.
Yeah, with the help of Big Black.
We used a basketball. I threw it up there. It took about 6 times to find it and hit it. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but
the view you had it. We didn't know there was no trees behind you.
Look, it's got green up there.
Oh yeah.
All right, looks like the drone is doing okay. So let me see if I can get it to fly.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hey!
Yes, sir. Hey, look what we got on, because we scared of them damn Jaro spiders.
Yeah.
He got on a hard hat. Look, I got on some yellow pants and boots.
I was doing this for nothing.
But that sucker was... Where was it, bro? We had a broom. First we had to find out where it was at, and then I realized you can make the damn thing beep and flash. But it was
about right there.
It was about like right up in there somewhere. That stick, behind that stick, like right there.
Should have took a picture of it.
And I hit it with the ball and I just watched it fall. I should have went over there and caught the damn thing, but it's all good. At least we got it. What it do, man. We in this thing and we got stuff to talk about, baby. It's Blue Dooley. It's about time it hits the road, man. Let me tell you what we got shaking. First of all, we got King Bray in the building.
What's up?
So listen, man. Y'all know we bought this thing about a year ago. This was kind of a hidden project that kind of surprised us. We got it from down the driveway down there. A lot of y'all started watching the channel because of this truck when we bought it and when we cleaned the interior and when we got it running. It still actually runs, but the engine is knocking bad. So what we got going now is, if y'all been following the channel, we started our own trucking business and we turned the beast into our, you know, business truck. So we do hauling, transport, stuff like that with that truck, and took the 22s off, put some more economical wheels on it, and now we haul with that every day. Problem is, we don't have no backup. So right now, that's all we got. If something was to happen to that, or I had to take it down for maintenance or whatever, we don't have nothing else to haul with. That's where this Blue Dooley comes into play at. This thing needs to be back on the road ASAP to be a backup vehicle, and also just because it's badass. It needs to be running and driving. If y'all been following the channel, you kind of know this was supposed to get a turbo 6.0. And then it kind of recently turned into a twin turbo 6.0. But I believe that twin turbo needs to go in this and get this thing back on the road immediately. I wanted this thing to have Cummins diesel, which ultimately I still would like to have it in there, but that's potentially a $10,000 to $20,000 project, and we just don't have that right now. So, and that would also take a lot longer. This is a 2000 model. You can actually put an LS in these and just repin the computer, the black box computer, to take a LS PCM. So there's a lot of options that we can do to get this thing on the road, but I just feel like this needs to be a priority. So we're gonna go over some of the parts that we got right here. As you can see, I have thousands of dollars worth of parts that I've been gathering. I haven't been just slacking, you know. I've been gathering these parts to one day throw all these things on and get this thing where it needs to be. So we're gonna go over everything that we have here. We've opened a lot of it. Some of it is I'm not gonna open because the boxes are tore up and I don't want to mess up the integrity of the box. I'll just explain what's in them. So Bray, you hold the camera, and we're gonna start with, we're just gonna go down the line. So these are weather stripping for the dually to go in, I think all 4 doors, I believe. And I got this about a year or so ago. Those shouldn't be too hard to put in. When I take the dash out, then you can get on the side of the dash right there. So that's what we're gonna do those. Here we have the meat and potatoes, man. This is the meat and potatoes of the meal. I ended up buying this one first. This is, I think these are 66 millimeters. I bought one at first, and a lot of my buddies were saying that was gonna be too small. This 66 millimeters is not good for a 6.0 by itself. It would have worked, but it wouldn't have been efficient. So we decided to go with another one and have twin turbo. Now we all know there's plenty of room under the hood. I mean, plenty of room.
Yeah.
So, you know, we'll take this 454 out. Big Z, shout out to Big Z, been helping me along the way. He actually just took his 454 out and swapped it with a crate motor 454. So he knows exactly all the nooks and crannies of what need to come out to get it out. He's gonna help me pull it out. And then we had a sneaky idea to maybe build this thing into a 502 and put that in the red truck. Because we already have 2 LS swap short beds. This one's gonna be LS swap, and that was already LS swap. So why not have a big block? You know, why not have a big block? So, you know, we ain't figured that out yet, but I like to use what I got sometimes, and this is formidable. So let's build this, put it in there. That'll be pretty badass. All right, let's go down the line, Bray. We got, well, I guess we start in the back. This is a full 10 works fabrication, 6/8 drop. 6/8, 6 in the front, 8 in the back. I think it utilizes, I can't remember what drop coils these are, 2 or 3 inch. I don't know if it says it on the
It says it on the, right here, maybe.
I don't know if it says it, but I think this is a 1 inch drop coil, and I think these are 2 inch drop spindles, I think. So we got the 10 work stuff. For majority of it is the rear. It's a notch. We got helper bags as well. We got the full kit from 10 Works Fabrication. That's a great company. If y'all want to lower your vehicles, your dually specifically, go holler at them. Western chassis drop spring, Beltec drop spindles. We got the carpet that we got from Big Z. I also got some jute backing laying around here somewhere. I think it's in the shed. So we'll put brand new jute backing down, put the carpet on top, put the seats in. That should go pretty quickly. We hope to do that in the next couple of weeks. We got some tow mirrors. What's up, Bray?
Hey.
We got some tow mirrors from Trail Ridge. That's gonna look good on there. Hey, I really want to tell y'all about this, man. This is, in my opinion, the absolute best double din kit there is known to man. My buddy Sean Anderson has been making these for a while. I actually have one in the Impala. He's well known for those that he does in the Impala. But it's the detailss.com. He does all kind of stuff. He has kits for everything. Open one of those. Open that up. Let me show him a card. But this is a full kit. He actually sponsored the channel with these, man. Gave them to me a while ago. It's one for the dually and one for Bray's orange truck we're gonna do down the road. Nice packaging. I'll show y'all this. The detailss.com. He has all kind of stuff, man. Sean Anderson, real cool dude, man. We really appreciate you giving us these for the channel. Next we have the Holley Terminator, man. This was for the 6.0 because it was going in the red truck originally. But like I said, with this thing being a 2000, you can repin the black box. You can repin this and it'll take a LS PCM and we can run a stock PCM. Fairly simple. But of course the Holly, you know, has a little computer and the monitor, the screen, which allows for tuning on the spot. Apparently, I haven't used one yet, but everybody swears by them. We got some kill mat right here. This goes down underneath the carpet. I remember when we POR 15 the floor, so the kill mat will go down, and then the jute backing, if I'm not mistaken, and then the carpet. So I want to pull that dash out. That's the only thing I've been waiting on. Pulling that dash out clean behind it, because there is some rat or pests that were making a home here. So you can see it's all kind of stuff behind that dash right there. So I want to get that out and clean behind it, whether we just tilt the dash or take it out completely. We ain't sure yet. Y'all know a few videos back, this thing had a brace on it, which was a gooseneck. Actually, it's laying around here somewhere. It was a gooseneck welded on, and we cut it out. That's the one thing I do have to figure out. Once we lower it, somebody's gonna have to build a gooseneck plate on it. So, that's it, man. That's all the parts we got. Like I said, thousands of dollars worth of parts. We want to get this thing on the road soon. I will be utilizing some shops for some of it. I can't do all this stuff, and if I did, it would take too long. I really feel strongly that we need to get this thing on the road. I know y'all probably agree. So we're gonna find some shops. I already got some shops in my mind, reputable, that I want to spotlight and, you know, let them do the work, let them show what kind of work they can do. But y'all bear with us, man. I'm telling you, bear with us. We're gonna get this thing rolling. Y'all gonna see it on the road. It's gonna be badass. And hopefully you see this thing pulling 2 or 3 car trailer with 2 or 3 other OBS trucks on it when we come to these shows, man. The whole family. Y'all know the whole family like trucks, they like cars, they like car shows and all that. So y'all stick around, man. After this video, we're gonna go live and we're gonna talk about this, and I want y'all's opinions. Y'all let me know, you know, because that's a big decision to switch from Cummins diesel to twin turbo 6.0. I want to hear what y'all think. 6.0s come in Denali's and Escalades and some of that stuff, and they, you know, they could tow. Definitely not going to tow like a diesel wheel, but it'll be, you know, it'll get the job done, especially as a backup. So I could just imagine that twin turbo 6.0 sitting down in there, man. That's going to be badass. The wow factor is going to be there. That wow factor is going to be there when you go to a car show, and it's just going to be badass, man. It might take the internet by storm. Who knows? But yeah, stick around, man. I'm finna go in and chop and screw this up, and we'll probably go live, holler at y'all about it, man. Kick a few ideas around and see what we can come up with, man. So hey, till next time, peace. I'm fonder than that, Buster.
I got one of those. I got a cheese burger.
Yeah.
So you got the peanut cookie.